It's not going to have all these cables in the back. These are actually like quick connect cables. I'm not going to take any of these out because I got them actually all set how I need them. Now the ones that I haven't used or you don't see plugged in are the GPS antenna, goes right here, and I believe that is it. The only other thing that is not in is my microphone, which goes right here that says mic in or just mic on it. Now I've already put the microphone in the car and my GPS antenna, so that's why you don't see those two connected, but they will be connected in the car. One of the things that I want to make sure you guys know is these two yellow ones right here. The one that says CCD AVN. Now that one has to be connected to I don't think it has a label on it, but these two yellow ones have to be connected for your actual OEM review mirror to work with this radio. That's basically it. It does come with instructions of how to set all of this up. Remember, this is for the 15 to 21 WRX, so yours might be a little bit different if you have any different years, but basically if you set it up just like this, all of these white tabs are going to connect to stuff in the car, and then the mic that you're in is going to go here, and then your GPS signal is going to go there, and then of course run your USBs where you want them so you can get access to them. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like with installing this bad baby into my 2018 WRX. I remember I was telling you these white connectors, this one, these two, this one, we're going to be using this white one and not that blue one on here. And then this one, this big baby at the bottom, this big wide one at the bottom is actually for our AC controls. And then I stuffed my other two in the back for my emergency button and my MDF or heads up display up there at the top. The microphone is right here, and I've already ran the microphone all the way up, and it's actually right up there in that corner right there. And then the GPS one that we was talking about is right here, and I actually ran that up through there all the way to right there already. Alright, so we got our USB cables. We're gonna go ahead and push those through. It's like a little spot down here. Alright, so once you got your USBs through there, that actually took a little longer than I expected. I would suggest, this is my GPS cable, goes right in there, that little thing. And it is a swivel cable, so it's gonna seem like it's loose, but it's not. Alright, so now we go and let's connect our AC at the bottom. That just punches in like that. Hit the camera. So this one goes to this one. Might not go to this one. I got it upside down. There we go. That one goes to that one. This one goes here, like that. Let's see, we got, and like I said, some of these won't be utilized. This one goes there, this one goes here, like that. And I got one for this one here. Like that. Okay, so that's all of the big cables. We're not going to be using this one and this blue one. So blue one and that one, we're not going to be using those two. And so microphone, that one I was telling you is labeled mic. That's where that cable we already ran up our pillar goes here. It's a little tight once you get them all in, but that one's in. And that is basically it. So now we just gotta push everything back in there, and once we get to the top, we gotta do our top emergency signal and then our monitor control at the top. Get the bottom in first. So this is what I'm gonna do. Try to get everything stuffed in there. I'm gonna get the bottom pushed in like that first on those clips. Can't forget these. and it's a hard stretch, but once you get these in, bow, and the top one in, bow, and then just like that, bottom's still in. Now if you look up top right here, you can see that the vents are kind of like sticking out, so you can't just push it straight in. So you kind of gotta hunker it down, kind of like get the head over, and then the vents will pop in like that. Now the whole thing is still out, and what you want to do is get one nice little push on it, and you want to kind of push up on it like that, and there you go. There's your installed new head unit. And then, like I said, you'll be missing this unless you have an airlift controller. And this is what it looks like, all situated in the car. And then our USBs that we was talking about are coming up right over here on this corner. I have them right here. Then we got our microphone over there and our GPS signal over there. And that's basically how you install a big boy 9-inch radio with Apple CarPlay in your 2015 to 2021 Subaru WRX RSTI.